Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Nadi, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved these wonderful twists by using these natural twists by Model in the color T30. Although this is crochet here, I will not be needing a crochet needle. I am just going to unravel the hair before I start braiding. Also, this hair is pretty easy to pull apart. I'm not going to stretch it out too much while I'm braiding and twisting. I'll be stretching out the hair out then. To begin with, I'm going to freely part a small section. The hair isn't really that big, so we shouldn't part that big. And also because these are going to be smaller twists, if you part big, then her hair won't be as full as she wants it to be. After I'm done parting, I'm going to go ahead and grab my crochet hair and split her hair in half. And then I'm going to start braiding as if I was box braiding, but I'm only going to braid a few times, maybe 4 to 5 times before I start twisting. The amount of times that I braid really change per braid or twist, only because I want to make sure that the hair is nice and secure and it doesn't slide when I let go. So sometimes I might braid more than that. When I get done braiding and it's time to twist, I make sure that her hair, her natural hair, is evenly distributed from the left and the right side, and then I start twisting. This was real easy and simple to do, like the whole process was very repetitive. I did try different methods, which I will show you guys later on in the video on how I installed these twists. Sometimes I like to try different things while I'm doing their hair just to see which method is faster. As I mentioned earlier, I am free parting, and free parting is just when you're grabbing a section with a comb into a C motion. To me, this is one of the best methods if you want your hair to be covered fully and you don't want to see any gaps. This is also one of the fastest methods to me because if you think about it, you have to really take your time to make sure all the parts are perfect if you're parting your hair into box shapes. But when you're freely just scooping hair, it doesn't have to be perfect and you can just braid right after. You really don't have to clean up anything. When it comes to the ends, I just keep twisting until I can't twist anymore. Sometimes when I'm done, I will twirl my fingers around the ends just to make sure that it'll stay and it won't unravel. I'm going to show you guys the 3 methods that I came across while doing these twists. The first method is the method that I started with, where I have 2 strands of her hair. 1 strand is going to be added to the crochet hair, and the other strand I'm going to use to braid with. After I'm done braiding with this method, her hair is going to be in the middle, and I'm going to split that hair in half and separate it from left to right. As you guys can see, after I'm done splitting, I always wind up each side before I start twisting. The next method that I'm going to use is the 3-strand method. That's where I split her hair into 3 sections. The pieces on the left and the right are both going to be attached to the crochet hair, and the one in the middle is going to be used to braid with. When it's time for me to start twisting, I always do the same thing where I split her hair in half and then continue twisting. This third method is pretty simple, but it's also one of my least favorites because her hair or anyone's hair could slip out easier, especially if they have fine hair, but I am just gonna braid and not split the hair at all. These are 3 of the methods that I tried while doing her hair. There are tons of other methods that you guys can try, but I'm gonna see you guys at the end of this video. We're almost done. This is the end of my video, you guys. I am finally finished. My best friend was a little camera shy, so I couldn't show you guys everything. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment down below in my comment section. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys next time.